I'm Marigia Maggipinto.
I'm Silvia Gribaudi.
I'm Chiara Frigo. We joined together to make this project called Tre Passi.
3 steps.
We met on March during the lockdown.
We start to think, how can we still get together?
For us, it is important to involve people in our process.
So the process started online through Zoom during the World Dance Day, the 29th of April. And we thought to play with people and to play with this project and to build a game together with the local community. And online we were able to put together hundreds of people that were playing with us, following the videos.
And so then we thought perhaps this could be the first step. And then we thought maybe we can also build a second step and then a third step. And so we called this whole idea 3 steps.
We will wait you in the Giardini Parolini every day for a new experience with us.
The performance or the game we built for the Giardini Parolini is a mirror of what was the path, the artistic path for us. So it mirrors the 3 steps and it mirrors the sharing performance with the community, and also the fact that this experience was something new for us because we didn't know each other before, artistically. So it was a big journey that started during the lockdown, and the fact of meeting physically seems so far, but it's now really happening finally.
3 steps is about past,
Present,
Future,
creativity,
sharing,
imagination,
perhaps a gymnastic of the imagination.
questions,
game,
to be in the movement also when you are invisible,
individual path and collective journey.
fun,
Is about colors,
Shapes.
nature, movement and dance.
yes.